Welcome back, Mouse Quiz Squad! Today, Taco's bringing you a super addictive challenge. Guess the smartphone by ringtone. Just by listening to the ringtone, can you figure out which phone brand it is? Are your ears sharp enough to catch every familiar melody? Before we start, a huge thank you to everyone who commented so enthusiastically on the last video. Want Taco to pin your comment in the next episode? Drop it down below. Now, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let the game begin. We're kicking off with the first challenge. What's your answer? Bravo! Apple! Guess this ringtone. This is Nokia. How about this one?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Now, follow the phone and find Hello Kitty. Correct! Hello Kitty's here! Can you guess the smartphone by ringtone? Awesome! Oppo! Round 6. Spot on! Microsoft! Do you have any ideas? It's Samsung. Choose your smartphone. Samsung versus Apple. Press the like button if you choose Samsung. Subscribe to the channel now if you're a loyal Apple fan. Let's continue with the next ringtone. Excellent! Huawei! Round 10. This is LG. How about this one? It's Xiaomi. Remember the position of all logos. Where is LG logo located? Well done! Number 2 is the correct answer. Next up, name this smartphone. Very good! Honor! Which ringtone's this? It's Realme. Round 15. Any ideas? Crazy Frog. Which ringtone do you prefer? Gabe the dog? Or Crazy Frog? Comment below to see which name gets more airtime. Time to move forward to the next. You nailed it! Vivo! Can you recognize this smartphone? Google Pixel. Do you have any ideas? Awesome! BlackBerry. Round 20. Classic phone. Listen carefully and guess the mobile game. Bang on! It must be Candy Crush. Focus here and find classic phone in the picture. Perfect! It's right here! Let's jump to the next smartphone. That's right, Intex. Tell Taco your answer. It's a Zeus. Round 25. This is Sony Ericsson. Spot two differences between two pictures. Spot on here and here. Moving on to the next smartphone. Comment below. Bingo! Panasonic. Which smartphone's this? This is Lenovo. Can you guess this one? Motorola. Do you have any ideas? The correct answer is OnePlus. Look closely. Can you find the odd emoji here? You figured it out? Here it is! Ready for the next one? Here we go! Nice work! Lava! Round 33. The correct answer is HTC. Which smartphone's this? It's Alcatel. How about this one? Well played, Infinix. Taco challenges you to find 3 differences between these 2 pictures. Time's up. 1, 2, and 3. Let's jump to the next one. Excellent! Cool pad! What's your answer? The correct answer is ZTE. Next smartphone. Try to guess. Good job, Micromax! Here comes the final question. Find the odd one out. It's over there! Congratulations to all the ringtone masters who made it to the finish line. How many smartphones did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments below. If you still have energy, tap the mouse quiz video on the screen to keep playing and crush the next challenge with Taco. See you in the next episode.